Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Create a public Snapchat profile and enable Share to Spotlight in settings. Verify your account and allow public content sharing for Spotlight distribution. Film vertical video in a 9:16 ratio, sized 1080x1920 for best quality. Keep videos up to 60 seconds long to fit Spotlight limits and audience attention. Use bright contrast and clear audio to improve visibility on smaller screens. Avoid heavy overlays that obscure your subject, and keep motion smooth. Hook viewers in the first 3 seconds with a visual, question, or strong emotion. Use captions and concise on-screen text to reinforce your opening hook for noisy environments. Post consistently, 1 to 3 Spotlight videos daily, ideally between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. local time. Leverage trending sounds and fast edits to align with Spotlight algorithms and viewer expectations. Edit tightly and remove dead time. Aim for a completion rate above 50% and strong average watch time. Create a clear call to action and an engaging cover frame to increase clicks. Reply to viewer messages and encourage shares to build repeat engagement and community. Review retention graphs during the first 24 to 72 hours and iterate quickly on format and pacing. Test variations on thumbnails, captions, and sound choices to find what consistently improves views.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.